Hi everyone, welcome to Shamel Scheduling Demo. Let's start a new project and hit Create Schedule. Here we have the option to upload a single script or multiple scripts if we're doing a block shoot for a TV show. Let's go with a single script and choose your PDF script here. Now within a few seconds, we're detecting our cast members, background actors, picture vehicles, props, animals or weapons if there's any, and generating a synopsis for every single scene. And here we have it. We have 153 scenes, and that's the entire script. For example, scene theory is exterior night, shows me the set of the scene, the synopsis of what's happening in the scene, the length of each scene, and the cast IDs. And in some cases, we have some background actors as well. I'm just going to go to the top of the strip board and show a few tools to help with the breakdown. We have a sort tool here where you're able to sort your scenes by different criteria. Let's say I want to sort my scenes by set, and then within each set, I want to do my exterior scenes and then interior, or maybe day and then night. So you can pick and choose what works for your production plan. You can also choose from our auto sort button here based on our predefined criteria, and that gives you a quick sort to all your scenes. Another tool is auto day breaks. Let's say you just got the script and you're trying to see if you film 3 pages per day, how many days do you need for this project? So we can just choose 3, hit apply, and then all my day breaks are added here. Tell me at the top that we need roughly 37 days. But in many cases, as a producer or an AD, you get on a project knowing that you can only afford 25 days, or maybe you only have available 50 days, and so on. So that's a different way of doing the auto day breaks. I'll go to days and input that number directly. Let's do 25 and hit apply. This would adjust my day breaks to fit 25 days. Obviously, this is only based on the length of each scene, so the creative input is still needed to allow more time for a stunt versus maybe a small scene in a house, and so on. I'm gonna double click on one of these scenes, which takes me to the scene breakdown, where you see the actual scene next to the breakdown sheet. And I can see we have our cast members here detected in red, whether they have lines or even in the description of the scene. And that's reflected under the cast category here. If I scroll down, apparently we have a wardrobe element, and that's shown under the proper category. If we go to the next scene, that's kind of our way of like you still have to go through the script and check it and make sure everything is properly detected and accurate. We have picture vehicles, some background actors, props, and cast members. But let's say there's a specific element you'd like to tag, you can go directly and tag it on the script. For example, let's see, we have 2 soldiers here. Let's say I want to add these soldiers as background actors. I can just select the word and add it as background actors. And then I can go here and specify how many, the count of this element. Soldiers 7, and let's say for diplomats, we're going to have 7 of them. Another tool is a split tool. Let's say you just got a script and there's a montage written under one scene heading. Or maybe there's a very long scene and you have to split it over multiple days. With our split tool, you're able to split your scenes into different parts with just a click. And now I have scene 49 part 1, 2, and 3, for example. If I confirm the split, it would regenerate the synopsis for every part, redetect the elements as well. Let's see what we get here. And then I can just click on view and strip board, which takes me back to the strip board and show me the exact scene. And that's in 3 parts. Another tool is script revision. Let's say you started your breakdown and after a few days you got a revised script. You don't have to start over. You can just upload the revised script and that would only detect the changes between the 2 scripts and you can confirm the changes before you apply it. Let's check our day out of days for our cast members. And I can show that for all the different elements as well. You can manage those elements from the Elements tab and export your reports for the schedule. You can see we have the different types of reports, all standard reports that people are familiar with in the industry. Strip board schedule, you have the option to customize your strip board. You can export your calendar, shooting schedule, and the out of days as well, in addition to element list and the sites directly from the scheduling software. So let's say choose day 3, and then I can export the sites directly from here. You can also have a Movie Magic export if you'd like to benefit from all the automation and the detection we just did and import it into your Movie Magic file, in addition to sharing a link with your collaborators. For more details on the scheduling software and the different tools, please check our in-depth tutorial. Thank you.